Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rahul Sawant. I am from Zeal Polytechnic, Pune. Today's topic is collect the specifications from different manufacturers of DC compound motor. Group members and their names: Rahul Sawant, roll number 48; Priyanka Biranme, roll number 40; Apurva Shirsagar, roll number 23. Guided by Garudi sir. Content: what is a DC motor? What is a compound DC motor? Different types of compound DC motors, specifications from different manufacturers of DC compound motor. DC motor. A DC motor is an of a class of rotary electrical motors that converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. The most common types of rely on the force produced by the magnetic field. Nearly all types of DC motors have some internal mechanisms, either electromechanical or electronic. The periodical change the direction of the current in the parts of the motors. The DC motors were the first form of motors wisely used, as they could be powered from existing direct current, lightning power disturbing system. A DC motor speed can be controlled over a wide range using either a variable supply voltage or by changing the strength of the current in the field winding. Small DC motors are used in tools, toys, and other appliances. DC compound motors. A DC compound motors connect the armature and the field winding in a shunt and a series combination to give it characteristics of both a shunt and a series DC motor. This motors is used when both a high starting torque and a good speed regulation is needed. The motor can be connected with two arrangements: cumulative or differential. Cumulative compound motor connects the series field to aid the shunt field, which provides high starting torque but less speed regulation. Differential compound motors have good speed regulation and are typically operated at a constant speed. Two types of compound motors: long shunt compound motors, short shunt compound motors. Short shunt compound motors. In terms of short shunt compound motors, the shunt resistance is just connected in parallel with the armature field coil, and our series field coil is exposed to supply current. Long shunt compound motor. The shunt field coil of a long shunt compound motor are connected in parallel with the series of the both series field coil and the armature. The characteristics: as a DC compound motor is compound by both series and shunt DC motor, therefore it utilizes from both types of motors, resulting in motor suitability for all kinds of applications. Shunt DC motors have the property of good speed regulations, while sorry while the series DC motors have the high starting torque. Compound motors combine both this property to provide good speed regulations for different loads with high strength, high starting torque suitable for different applications. The advantages and disadvantages of DC compound motors. Advantages: a shunt motor operates at a constant speed, so it not have suitable for the applications for variable speed appliances. However, the compound motors have very good control due to the presence of series field. And the disadvantage is just like the other DC motors are compound motors, so it required frequent maintenance due due to due to its due to its ex, due to resulting of high maintenance cost. They are not suitable for hazardous environment due to the spark occurring at the carbon brush. Specifications from different manufacturers of DC motors. Thank you.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.